Hello and welcome to the third place playoff match of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between Catherine Hall Primary from St. James up against Marlie Mount Primary from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Kadeen Foot, and the action begins right now. And we had the coin toss earlier. Marlie Mount won and decided to go first. So let's begin section 1, where teams are asked questions alternately. They have 10 seconds in which to answer, and they earn 1 point for each correct answer. We start off with Bible knowledge. Marlie Mount, what name was given to what Moses received on Mount Sinai?
The Ten Commandments.
Correct. Catherine Hall, who led the children of Israel to worship a golden calf while Moses was on Mount Sinai receiving the 10 Commandments?
Aaron.
Correct. Science, Marlie Mount, what point is located in the middle of a first-class lever?
Fulcrum.
Correct. Catherine Hall, what point is located in the middle of a third-class lever?
The effort.
Correct. Jamaican affairs, it's a visual. Marlie Mount, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Omar Robinson.
Incorrect, it's Senator Charles Sinclair Jr. Catherine Hall, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Harrison Ford.
That's incorrect. It's Senator Matthew Samuda. English language, simplify this sentence. Marlie Mount, the place where the planes are kept is empty.
The hangar is empty. The hangar is empty.
Correct. Catherine Hall, simplify this sentence. There is a place where the beehives are kept in the woods.
There is an apiary in the woods.
There is an apiary in the woods.
Correct. Television for Marlie Mount, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the actress.
Demi Lovato.
Incorrect, it's Gina Rodriguez. Catherine Hall, do the same. Look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Gigi Hadid.
Gigi Hadid.
Incorrect, it's Meghan Markle. For general knowledge, Marlie Mount, Plymouth is the former capital of which Caribbean island?
Montserrat.
That's correct. Catherine Hall, in which Caribbean country is the Pico Duarte?
Dominican Republic.
Correct. Social studies, Marlie Mount, in which Jamaican parish can you find the Ulster Springs settlement?
St. Thomas.
Incorrect, it's Trelawney. Catherine Hall, in which Jamaican parish can you find the town of Chapelton?
St. Catherine.
Incorrect, it's Clarendon. Music, Marlie Mount, which international artiste released the song Perfect in 2017?
One Direction.
Incorrect, it's Ed Sheeran. Catherine Hall, which international group released the single Believer in 2017?
Little Mix.
Incorrect, it's Imagine Dragons. Mathematics for Marlie Mount. At a university, 6 out of every 13 students live on campus. If there are 156 students enrolled, how many live on campus?
$72.
Correct. Catherine Hall, in a school, 4 out of every 7 students are girls. If there are 84 students at the school, how many are girls?
48.
48.
That's correct. And that's the bell. The end of section 1 has Marlie Mount and Catherine Hall both on 5. So we go for a break. but listen up for the NCB-friendly tip. Develop and share friendships with persons who can encourage you and who will also appreciate and respect your encouragement. Please stay tuned for the Face-Off. That's up next.